All right, you guys, I need a little bit of help here. So I'm having trouble with the button that opens the doors. So it won't open, but I know that the mechanism works because I could unlock it. So that works, and then the lock works. And I know there's this I guess code, for lack of a better term, to unlock them or reset the whole mechanism, but I'm having trouble doing so. I know you're supposed to put it in this mode, set the brake, have the door open, and hold for 5 seconds. And nothing. Let's see if it works the other way. That's the brake. And then that's the lock button. You hear that? So it works one way, but it doesn't work the other way. And wondering if you guys have a different to unlock it or set it to unlock. Thank you guys, appreciate it.